Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is a portable camping stove. You can see the one that we got right here from this brand. But first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what is actually included inside. Alright, so when you guys open it up, you can see inside they do probably got a little bag. But when you guys take it out, here is the bag. But when you take out the inside right here they do probably got a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. But right here we do have the actual product. So for this part right here, they do have like a foldable design for the handle option. So that way the product is super compact and portable. Right here on top, they do give you guys a lid. So let's take it out. Here is basically what the lid looks like. But they do have the little hole on this side and the small little hole on this side. So that way you can pour stuff out really easily. Right here on the side, you can see we do have the brand logo. And then for this part right here, it's kind of like a sleeve option. So that way when you guys do touch it, it won't be hot. And for the sleeve, you do have the option to take it out if you guys do want to. So just like this. And here is basically what the inside looks like. So you see right here they do have the measurement, so that way you know how much to add. And when you guys do feel the product without the sleeve, it actually feels pretty cold. So you probably want to leave the sleeve on. And right here on the inside, you see we do have a lot of different accessories. So let's take it all out. So once you guys take it out, here it basically actually looks like inside. So if you guys can see, the product is pretty deep. If you guys are curious about how big the pot is, it is 1.4 liters. And then here is basically what the bottom part looks like. So the way how they designed the bottom part, it does give you guys like that wind resistant design. So that way when you guys do use the product, you don't have to worry about the wind blowing on the product. But once you guys take this part out, here is the bottom of the product. So I'm assuming this part right here is a pressure regulator. And how this works is that you probably want to put this in the bottom. So just like that. And then for the bottom part is where you guys want to put the fuel in. You can see right here. So for this test, we're not going to test out the fuel or anything just to be safe. But pretty much once you guys put the fuel inside onto the bottom part right here, there's two buttons for you guys to use. Right here we do have the ignite button. So when you guys press it, that will ignite the fire. And then for other side right here, you basically want to open up. And that will allow you guys to change the heat temperature on here. If you guys want to increase it or lower it. So one side is to increase it and the other side is to decrease it. But once you have it done, you can fold it back up. Just like that. So once you guys finish setting up the bottom part of the fuel option and turn on the fire and ignite it, they can basically start using the product inside right here. And if you guys do put the lid on top, here is basically what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. You can see it's actually very easy and very simple for you to use it. And obviously when you guys do set the product, you probably want to put it on a flat surface or something. And when you guys do hold the product, you don't want to touch it on the side right here because there is the fire when you guys do light it up. So you probably want to hold it on the side right here or hold it on the side right here. But you definitely want to turn off the fire before you guys actually touch anything. So that way you guys won't hurt yourself. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we come unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this part, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys in the market are looking for a high quality portable camping stove that you can basically use anywhere you guys want to as long as you guys do have a fuel option, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.